Hi there, Jordan here with Chevrolet of Everett, your Pacific Northwest electric vehicle specialist, and I am inside the 2022 Bolt EUV, and I wanted to answer some questions that I've gotten in regards to the Bolt EUV and EV battery warranty. The Bolt EV and the EUV both come with Chevrolet's 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty on the battery. And as a part of the plug-in promise from Chevrolet and us here at Chevrolet of Everett, we want to make sure that you have the most confidence in your electric vehicle ownership. A big concern people have had in regards to the battery is that there's going to be a high price if they ever have to have any kind of work done on it, or if it ever has to be replaced. And the great thing about that 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty is you shouldn't have to experience any of that sticker shock if you ever have to bring your Bolt into the service department. The reason Chevrolet is able to offer this amazing warranty is because they've tested this battery to its limits, with over 1 million miles in some of the most extreme climates, like Alaska's cold or into the Death Valley heat. And in those tests, they didn't see any more than a 20% degradation of the battery, which means that in your normal everyday driving life, you're never gonna see any kind of wear and tear on that battery for the life that you have it. As always, if you do have any questions in regards to the Bolt EV or the EUV battery, feel free to reach out to us here at 425-265-8000. And as always, I'm happy to help. I'm Jordan with Chevrolet of Everett, your Pacific Northwest electric vehicle specialist.